Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Starmaker with Facebook. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, on a mobile device, launch the Starmaker application. Then you will land on this page. Now in order to log in with your Facebook, tap open the button that says login or register just above the menu bar at the bottom of this page. A dialog box will pop up. From there, you can simply log into Starmaker with your Facebook account, with your Google account, your TikTok account or your Twitter account, and there are more ways as well. Since we are logging in with Facebook, so tap on Facebook. If you have logged into your account already on your device, you can simply continue with that account, or if you want to go with another account, from this page tap on login with another account. That means you have to log into Facebook first in order to continue to Starmaker. Here enter your mobile number or email and then your password as well. Then under that tap on login. Now once you are logged into your Facebook, you will get this interface. From there tap on continue as your account. Now you have to edit your profile. Choose a nickname and type in your nickname, or else you can also go with the default one. Under that, select your date of birth and select your gender. If you have an invitation code and type over there, or else you can also skip that as well. Then tap on save. Here you have to confirm your age, then tap on confirm. Then after that you will be logged into Starmaker with your Facebook. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.